Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix promotions are disabled on Instagram. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So as you can see guys right here, the first thing that you can do in order to fix this problem is check for account violations. The most common reason for promotions being disabled is due to violations of Instagram policies. Here is how you can check if there is an issue. First of all, open Instagram, go to your profile and tap the menu icon in the top right corner. After that, go to Settings, tap Settings and Privacy, then Account, and then Account Status. Check for violations. Instagram will show any policy violation that may have resulted in your promotions being disabled. If a specific post or ad was flagged, it will be listed here. Appeal the violation. If you believe the violation is a mistake, you can tap Appeal in the Account Status section. Provide relevant information to justify why your promotion or account should be reinstated. Check Instagram's ad policies. Make sure that your account and ads comply with Instagram's ad policies. Key areas to focus on include content compliance, ad format, and targeting policies. Then, ensure you're using a professional account. Instagram's promotions are only available for business or creator accounts. If you're still using a personal account, then switch to a professional one. First of all, switch to a professional account, go to Settings and Privacy, Account Type and Tools, and switch to Professional Account. Select either business or creator depending on your needs. Link a Facebook page. For a business account, if you're running a business account, make sure it is connected to a Facebook page. Go to Settings and Privacy, Account Center, and set up the Accounts Center and link your Instagram to a Facebook page. Resolve payment issues. Another reason promotions might be disabled is due to problems with your payment method. Check the following. First of all, go to Payment Settings, then verify your payment method, and lastly, check for unpaid balances. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.